Alright, well, after I made that last video where I unboxed this, I think I'm just going to tear this thing down because I really have no other use for it, and it's not really sought after much by others anyway. So, it's got that film on the front. Well, whatever. Can't really see where to start. It looks like there's plastic screws in there, but no, that's just all one piece. Oh, and there goes my camera. It's Superman! Alright, so back from that little interruption there. Doesn't seem to be some sort of immediate way to remove the pins here. So, is there like that way, or can I? Yeah, that gets annoying after the first couple times. Let's see. Can't do it that way or that way, but there is a pin or something in there. I've got a smaller screwdriver here. I think I can. That one. All right. So. I think I'm making progress here, but that's kind of hard to show. Screw it. I think I'm just going to try to get out the plastic backing instead. Oh, well, look, that comes right off. And what is that, PVC tape right there? Look, it's just all black. Well, let's see what we can do about removing that. It's solid in some places, and in some places it's not, and really? Really? The whole thing just comes out like that. It's not even a... Alright, well... Those buttons were on the left. They didn't even move. Why have them there if the... Decoration? That's not even a valid excuse here. Alright, well, let's... Ah, more of that crap. Alright, well... So, there's little tiny, naturally watch-sized screws in there. I am going to be right back after the edit to see if I can find an appropriate screwdriver for that. And welcome back from the edit. I think I found some tools that might work. As with most of the tools that I own, I've been fooling around with them some such, and yeah, they kind of end up getting horrifically scarred. No, that's still too big. What about this? No, that's too big. Alright, well, it's almost working. Oh, I made some progress. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that piece comes off. Is it immediately obvious what it... Oh, it's part of the whole button assembly there. Okay. Well, I think it's confused now, or it may have frozen. Alright, well, let's take out the battery part. That's why you really should have the right tools when you're working on batteries, but no one should really reasonably expect this to survive. So I'm kind of not bothering. It's cheapo watch anyway. Okay, so the batteries just fell right out. This was still stuck on there, but now it's not. Okay, so naturally it's not working anymore. And could have sworn that LCD came back on for a sec. Alright, well, oh, there's one little tiny screw right there that I missed. So let's take that out. Okay. And alright. So I guess I'll cover this part first. So some random bits having to do with the batteries and the buttons is in there, plus a little, I think that's a zebra strip or something. And also some tiny bits sticking out to keep the little display in place. Okay, now this, I don't know if there's anything left on this to really do, but there's just a little epoxy blob, some LEDs, a crystal, and not much else. Not even a resistor or anything else, really. If there are, it's got to be under that blob. Well, anything else involving this part of it? Let's see. That black part just, does it come off? Oh, okay, well, let's... Oh. Some part of that came out. Doesn't even really fit properly on my wrists, and my wrists are small if you haven't noticed by now. Okay. I'm going to have another go at taking those pins out that keep the wristband together here. Let's... Oh, that did come out. It's a spring action. Okay. Where is it? Well, okay, so that part came out, so it should be pretty easy to do the same with the other, I think. Now, screw it. You know what? There. Now, anything left? Nope. Well, that was the Superman watch.